Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics so you don't chase ghosts. Check iOS and that you're signed into the correct Apple ID. Mismatched ID breaks sync settings. Once done, enable screen time and restart the phone to clear temporary glitches. Make sure low power mode is off and any profile or MDM isn't blocking screen time. These first actions reset state and often resolve issues quickly because screen time needs current system software, a valid Apple ID, and no external management to function correctly. Now you do the more detailed work to force a clean configuration. Turn off screen time, wait about 30 seconds, and re-enable it so the system rebuilds local settings. If you see passcode errors, change or reset the screen time passcode because a corrupted code prevents proper operation. Next, sign out of iCloud and sign back in to refresh Apple's sync. This resolves discrepancies between devices. These steps address data corruption and sync problems that simple restarts don't always fix. Finish by applying software updates and safe resets to eliminate lingering bugs. Update iOS to the latest release because many screen time issues are fixed in updates. Once updated, re-enable screen time and verify settings. If the problem persists, perform reset all settings. This keeps your media but clears corrupted preferences that can block screen time. If none of this works, contact Apple support or schedule a Genius Bar appointment. Quick troubleshooting tip. Try another trusted device with the same Apple ID to isolate account versus device problems.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.